So I told a lie. I finished my last video saying I was gonna go chase freshwater fish. I probably will later on today, but I got up this morning, nice calm outside. Come down here and see if I can catch a fish or two off the bank. Oh man, I don't know if y'all just saw that shooting star, but it was a fireball and everything. If we get any bite at all this morning, it's going to be a short, quick one. We got nice clear water, clear sky, dead calm. There's a hit right there. That looks like a nice trout coming in. Head shaker, baby. Yes, it is. I'll take him. All right, so there are fish in here today. Beautiful trout, first fish. Well, that's a nice one too, about 14, 15 inch one. That's the way to do it. Haven't had any back-to-back bites the last couple trips down here. Not crazy furious action like middle of November and around Thanksgiving. It's first week of December, we're kind of in a lull. Still catching a few fish, but not killing them. Something hit in real close on the way in. That's what I figured, a little rat red. Felt him bump earlier. Well, maybe there'll be some big reds here today. 3 dots on the right side. Oh well, it's a bite. Well, one just nailed it right there. And all that bait. It's a small red, I'm sure. Come on, stay out the rocks. And the grass. Oh no, big mule trout. Just like I said earlier this morning. Ooh-wee. Man, man, man. That is not what I expected. Holy moly. Like I said, on these crazy calm days, you get these big mule trout. Look at this bad boy. Ooh-wee. Big yellowmouth, baby. I'll take him. Wow. Was not expecting that. In close. He's spinning. It feels like a little rat red. I can see him already.
Yep.
All like cookie cutter size, man. A couple months away from being in the box. Got a beautiful sunrise coming up. Need to get some action going here. I figured it'd be a quick early morning bite, but I figured it'd be more than 2 bites. Yeah, a little rat red probably. See him spinning already. Well, at least it ain't the same one. Quick short bite. 2 trout and 3 rat reds and the morning's over. Let's see what we got in the death bucket. 2 trout. That's a beauty though. 2 trout in the death bucket. Well, I should have went and looked for a freshwater spot like I said I was going to in my last video, but I got up this morning and decided to make a saltwater bank fishing trip, and Just like I thought, it was a short, quick bite at daylight. I got about 6 bites. I ended up catching 2 specks and 3 reds. 3 rat reds, all throwbacks. Still had a good time though. Now I'm gonna go look for some freshwater spots. Fishing on the Mississippi River where some water got trapped on the high river. Little pond here. Throw some artificial worms. I got a couple jigs. Got a spinner bait. I might work this for a little while. Trying to find some freshwater spots off the bank. Need to catch a bass with that bad boy in the background. Well, I swapped to a blue chatterbait. Try it for a little while. See if I can locate anything in here. I think I'm gonna get out there and get on top of the rocks and fish with the wind in my back. I found the spot I was looking for, but I can't buy a bite. I tried Senko worms, chatterbaits. Now I'm throwing a craw jig. You would think after this morning not doing very good saltwater fishing, I'd go home. But I don't have too much smarts. Actually just had my first swirl behind my little craw jig here. Swirls don't count though. Swirls don't count. Tell you what, it ain't for lack of effort here. I stay skunked on the freshwater side today. Well, second spot for the day was a bust. I didn't do nothing. Not even a bite. Well, my truck's still there. That's a good sign. Old greenie. So till the next video, get out there and go fishing.